Helpful tips for success in the stock market. There is a ton of investing advice online, but how do you know what you can trust and what will trip you up? This video has been contributed to by experts, your peers and other financial gurus, who know what they're talking about. When it comes to financial advice, this is the best place to start. Like many other areas in life, stock market investing involves simplifying things. Separate the noise from the signal. Don't take unnecessary risk, research before you buy and stick to your original strategies. When you invest money in the stock market, you should be focusing on swatching your investments around. Don't put all of your eggs into one basket. If you have everything you've invested in a single stock and it flops, you'll be in a lot of trouble. A great tip that most investors could use is to make a rule where you automatically sell off your stocks if they go down in value by about 8% of the original stock price. Lots of times stockholders are praying for a rebound that never comes, and they end up losing even more money. It is important to understand what a P ratio is when investing in common stocks. P ratio is short for price to earnings ratio and is a reflection of what the price of stock is compared to how much money it earns. Using the P ratio when valuing stocks helps to judge whether the stock is a bargain compared to the money it generates, or whether it is selling at a premium. It is not the only thing to consider, of course, but it's one basic indicator of a stock's relative worth. Don't let your emotions play a part in your investments. Remember that this is a business and you're in this to make money. You can't let yourself make bad decisions that are solely based on your emotions. Learn to separate your emotions from your decision making so that you can have a clear mind. Online brokers are a good option for amateurs that are willing and able to do their own homework. The trade fees and commissions of online brokers where you do all the work yourself are cheaper than both full service and discount brokers. Since one of your investing goals is to turn a profit, reducing the costs of your trading pushes you closer to that goal. Wading through the sea of content online can be enough to drown you, but this video is a life preserver for anyone investing for profit. The simple tips you've read can change your strategy so significantly that you can turn around a losing investment or start investing in something new. Be sure to take what you've learned and go. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.